Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has been rumored to switch to a flat screen, a first for the Ultra in a long time. But there is some other news that's coming out which is both good and bad. All these leaks are coming out from Ice Universe. Ice Universe says S24 Ultra Max peak brightness will be about 2200 nits. That's insanely bright. It goes without saying. For comparison's sake, S23 Ultra tops out at 1750 nit brightness and no one called it a dim display. So with S24 Ultra, they will change the brightness game when it arrives. The bad news. The bad news is that as per IC Universe, the S24 Ultra's bezel will be very big as the A54, which is not a good sign. They will be only symmetrical in pairs. As you can see, the left will be 3.42 millimeter, while the top and bottom will be 3 millimeter. They will have flat screens. As you know, Apple has time and again proved that it can, while using Samsung panels, make this bezel symmetrical all over. And it seems even Nothing Phone 2 has a full bezel symmetry all over at much lower price point. Samsung doesn't seem to care, it seems. S24 Ultra will have a body to screen ratio of around 88%, which will be the lowest for any flagship Samsung phone since 2019. So what is Samsung doing in terms of design? Don't know. Maybe it's just a rumor. Maybe when S24 Ultra will come out, it will be much better. But it's a very sad news.